Hi. Today he'll show you how to add videos in Elementor. Go to Elementor editor. Add a new section by clicking the plus icon. Click the blue icon to edit the section on the left side. Make the section full width, stretch it, and fit the height to its viewport size. Now go to Style tab to add the video. Click on the video icon. Here you have to paste your video link. Finally, video is loaded. We can add background overlay colors and images to make it more style and polished. Now let's see how to add heading in video background. Drag and drop the header widget to the section. Now edit the content, and align it to center of the page. Now go to Styles, change the color and font size and other styles. Once you add the styles, update the page and preview the changes. You can see the video is now updated, with a red overlay. Thank you for watching.